Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the EV stocks out there, the EV stock news. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors, the latest news on Rivian. We are going to be talking about Polestar as well, the sleeping giant in my opinion. And lastly, Tesla, the Megasaurus, the monster of them all, that is doing great, and it has a new high price target. And I definitely think you're going to get a lot out of this video. But before we do, if you can, give me that thumbs up, the like button. I'll share my videos around YouTube. If you are new to the community, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all. We would love to have you in the community. We have a lot of positive news down below. We have a lot of positive comments, but we would love to have you as part of the family, as part of our community here. But as I mentioned today, we are going to be talking about the best EV stocks out there. We will start talking about Lucid Motors. So Lucid Motors stock did go down by, I believe it was maybe 1.8% if I remember correctly whenever I looked at the stock charts. It looks like it is cooling off, which is expected for this stock. It is quite normal. People are taking profits. But the very nice thing I am seeing about Lucid Motors LCID stock is that we are finding a new base now. I do think that we are seeing that consolidation at $36, which is great news for this stock. Last week, we had a very big movement in this stock. We did test that $26, $28, and we shot past $30. And we are now consolidating at $36. So I definitely think that this is great for this stock. I do think that people are taking profits, which is quite normal, as I mentioned. In the past, I have been saying that my price target for the end of the year is $30 to $35. Of course, we have gone past that already. We'll see if we maintain that. I do think that we will definitely have a good chance of doing that, based on two very big news. So one is that I do believe that the LCID stock, Lucid Motors stock, will continue to stay around this range, maybe go up a little bit more, because we will have Rivian coming out with its IPO. So Rivian will be having its the initial public offering, which will be coming very soon. It has been trying to get a valuation for the company at $80 billion. From the all the stocks, everything, all the news that I have been researching, reading, it looks like we are going to be having an evaluation of about anywhere from 60 billion, 70 billion, right around that. I've been reading different news sources, and they have been fluctuating there. It does put the price of the stock when it does come out as RIVN. Will be the ticker for Rivian. It will have a price starting off at about $58 to $62, right around $65 at the highest, and that is what is expected. Now, as you know, when IPOs do come out, they tend to sometimes shoot quite a bit of up, and we'll definitely have to see if there's a lot of investors just piling in and driving this stock up. But we'll definitely have to keep you updated on this. But that is very big news, the latest news out of that. If you are a investor, or if you have pre-ordered some of the Rivian trucks, either the R1T or the SUV, the R1S, Rivian is allowing you to buy the IPO before it does go public at about that $58 price target. But you can only get into this if you are having a pre-order of one of these trucks or the SUVs. So also, I did want to transition and talk to you about the sleeping giant. In my opinion, the sleeping giant is Polestar. It is a brand new EV company out there. It has actually been making vehicles now for 1 year. It has been producing two vehicles, the Polestar 1, Polestar 2. Polestar 2 is all electric vehicle. It is a competitor to the Tesla Model S. You can purchase the vehicle after the federal tax credits for about that $36,000. It's an amazing vehicle. Check it out. You could go to Google, type in Polestar 2, and but right now it did strike a deal with Guggenheim. It is trading right now as a SPAC, as a special purpose acquisition company under the ticker GGPI. This stock right now is running around $10.90. It has not quite reached $11 yet, but I do think it is a sleeping giant. I do think that it is, in my opinion, very, very cheap right now as a electric vehicle company. It is a branch of Volvo. As you know, Volvo makes very nice vehicles, very safe vehicles. They do also look at, that quality, that it's a very quality product. And I definitely think that they will be doing great in the future. Now, Polestar does have its future set on making a SUV called the Polestar 3. I think this is also going to do quite well. It will be made in the United States. I believe in North Carolina is where the Polestar 3 will be made. Right now, the Polestar 1 and Polestar 2 are made in China for the company, for Polestar. But the SUV will be made in the United States coming soon. So definitely, I do think that it's worth to put on your watch list. But please do your own due diligence before purchasing any of my stock recommendations, as I am not your financial advisor. So Polestar, GGPI, I do think it is a sleeping giant. It has a valuation of $20 billion. Which makes it very, very cheap. Right now, Lucid Motors has an evaluation of right under $60 billion. You have Rivian coming out with very similar valuation, if not a little bit more. So when you compare all these vehicles out there, electric vehicles out there, you are getting a very nice deal in this stock price, but definitely we'll have to see. But I also did want to touch on Tesla. Tesla is doing a fantastic job. It is making all-time highs. It did in the day at $1,200 and I believe $9. It has a very nice run up in its stock. And the very big news on Tesla is that it is opening now its charging stations, its superchargers to other EV companies out there, other EV vehicles, which is quite good. I have been reporting this in the past, and I have mentioned it as Tesla actually being my number one charging stock out there, second to ChargePoint. But Tesla is not only a car company, it's a technology company, it's a charging company. They make solar panels. I mean, you name it, that company, it just keeps going and going. But it is quite a good company, in my opinion. I do think that by the year 2025, I do think that it will be worth anywhere from $35,000. No, not 35,000. Sorry, 3,500. So $3,500 or $4,000 by the year 2025. By this time, I think Lucid Motors has a very nice chance of getting about 200, if not more, per stock share. And then you have that sleeping giant, GGPI Polestar. It will have that ticker as PSNY when it does merge with GGPI, but look forward to that. But also you have Rivian, RIVN. It is going to be initial public offering very soon in the next few weeks. And I do suspect that price will be starting around that $60 mark. But we'll see what the investors do out there, as that might be piling in, and it might drive this price all the way up. I will be telling you that I will definitely keep you updated as to when, at what price point I will be putting a position in Rivian, as I do want to own this company long term as well, because it does have a very good backing by Amazon, Ford. Amazon does own about 20% of the shares of Rivian. So I do definitely think that this company will also be a monster. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is my latest EV update. Also, I did want to tell you to thank you so much for all your prayers for my mother. She is out of the hospital. She is trying to recover at home. My wife's mother is in hospice care at home. We will be going to Houston, traveling quite a bit. So thank you so much for all your prayers, all your support. If you can, please give me that thumbs up. The like button will, continue to keep me alive on YouTube. Continue to share this video with others. Continue to share it with your friends, your family, next door neighbor. I really greatly appreciate it. as it does increase the channel. We do have a very nice group down below that does, talk stocks, and we're very positive. Also, I have partnered up with Moomoo. If you open an account with Moomoo using my link down below, you will get a free share of stock just for opening an account. So please take advantage of that opportunity. The stock will be valued anywhere from $3 to $350 just for opening an account. If you deposit $100 into this account, you will get free shares of stock. In the past, I have given people Lucid Motors stock. Now, I think at that time it was around $25. Now it's worth $36 and going on strong. So definitely please take advantage of that. We'll definitely try to get you some free stocks on that. I have been collaborating with Moomoo and see if my viewers can get some very good stocks out there, but please don't forget to take that opportunity. Also, using my link down below, you can get Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase if you are into cryptocurrency. But please use the links down below. But thank you so much again for watching, for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day.